Welcome to this video on the engineering behind Taipei 101. We will explore the sophisticated aerodynamic and mathematical architecture that allows this iconic structure to stand tall in a challenging environment. Taipei 101 faces extreme conditions. Located in a high typhoon zone and near an active fault line, the structure requires a delicate balance of stiffness to resist fierce winds and flexibility to withstand powerful earthquakes. The foundation is a feat of engineering, anchored in soft soil with a high water table. Engineers used massive slurry walls to seal the site, and 380 deep bored piles to reach the stable sandstone bedrock below. The building's skeleton mimics the structure of bamboo. It uses a combination of megacolumns, belt trusses, and ductile steel frames to provide segmented strength, allowing the skyscraper to flex under stress without failing. To combat vortex shedding, where high winds create dangerous pressure oscillations, the building features a unique, double-notch design. These sawtooth corners disrupt airflow and reduce wind forces by 40%. Engineers utilize a spectrum of protection systems. Taipei 101 relies primarily on a passive tuned mass damper, which provides self-stabilizing oscillation suppression without the need for external power or complex active systems. At the heart of the tower hangs a 660-ton steel pendulum. This massive tuned mass damper, suspended between the 87th and 92nd floors, is designed to sway during major storms to counteract the building's movement. The tower succeeds by balancing stiffness and flexibility. While the structural frame limits initial shocks, the tuned mass damper works as an absorber, neutralizing kinetic energy to keep the building safe. The damper operates on the principle of antiresonance. By matching its natural frequency to the building's, the pendulum swings out of phase during an earthquake, creating destructive interference that cancels out dangerous oscillations. The system also converts motion into heat. As the damper moves, it pushes hydraulic fluid through shock absorbers. This process transforms massive kinetic energy into heat, which is then safely dissipated into the air. To model these complex dynamics, engineers use a state space abstraction. By dividing the building into three masses, the top floors, the damper, and the main structure, they can accurately simulate how the tower responds to impact. The results are impressive. Simulations show that the building returns to rest in under 7 seconds after an impulse. The damper continues to oscillate longer, slowly bleeding off energy to protect the structural steel. When comparing a single large damper against multiple smaller ones, researchers found that the current 660-ton pendulum remains the most optimal architectural choice for balancing efficiency and performance. In April 2024, the structure faced a real-world test during a 7.4 magnitude earthquake. Taipei 101 stood unscathed, proving the success of this harmonious application of physics and architectural design.